Good morning, traders. My name is Samuel Okoyach. I want to bring you Elliott Wave analysis and advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis on currency pairs. Then later on, how we do cryptos. Now, I'll cover currency, gold, and so on. All right, I start. I don't have much time today, so I'll be a bit fast. Okay, I kick off. USD card. Sorry. Oh, okay. USD card. I'm expecting a drop, a further drop. So USD card is still dropping. This is daily chart. Let me go to lower time frame. So you can see what I'm expecting on USD card. I expect the pay to enter our blue box, which will be 1.195, 1.19, 1.1850. So this is the area where we look for buy. Right now, I'm not looking for buy. Remember last week I told you that we have a pullback. The pullback might delay. I mean, we might have something like this again, then a drop. But the bottom line is whether we get another temporary buy or not. I'm not buying now. I will only buy when the price enters in this blue box. Then I will look for buy. 1 hour, there's not much between the 1 hour and 4 hours. The only thing is that I have two channels here. Which one we need to follow? We need to follow this or go deeper and follow this channel, or even go swiftly down. I don't know, but all I'm saying is that we likely have 5 waves into the blue box, something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, no time to label all those things. USD JPY. This is what we are expecting. A further move up. As a matter of fact, this setup, if that is the entry called perfect setup, we have perfect setup now. So if you miss this trade, let me know, and I will remove you from my channel. Anyway, I'm just kidding, but don't miss this trade. Expect a move up. All right. On 1 hour, the same thing. A break of this, you just buy. Stop loss will be here. Okay. USD CHF. This time around, USD JPY and USD CHF are going opposite ways, but I can't help it. Formally they go the same time, same direction, but now they go different ways. USD CHF showing that the price is still coming down, but USD JPY is going up. So what are we expecting? Why might go sideways? For instance, this, I expect the USD CHF to come into the blue box. It might be going sideways while USD JPY is going up. Or USD JPY might be going sideways and this is coming down. But nevertheless, I prefer to buy USD JPY and leave this one. So, but if this one comes into the blue box fast, I will look for buy from here. AUD USD. As you can see, in my last analysis, I tell you that we are looking for this blue box for buy. It went beyond the blue box, but nothing spoiled because here is our stop loss. I mean, I said that we look for buy here, but this remains the what do you call it, support in other traders language, support. Okay, so it did get to the support and the price is going up now. So just look for your buy, and you know our target. Here is our target. Above 0.8 is our target. So don't miss the trade. In 1 hour, you look for buy. So this is 1 hour. In 1 hour, we might not get this sign. Might not come. The price must continue going up henceforth. But the bottom line, even if you enter right now, there's no room for panic. So So this pullback might happen, it might not, it might even happen like this, like this, like this before going up. But the thing is that stop loss is here. So I don't see the market moving to give us a new low without giving us a new high. I don't see it happening. So it's another good trade to take. Gold. In gold, our next target is 1966. Is our next target in buying gold. This is daily candle. Then the gold might still come down and give us a new low. I will only explain this to my students. So just mind buying gold and take profit around here. Then gold might still turn back from here and give us a new low. The reason I will only explain to my students. Okay. Now silver. Silver is buying. The buy is triggered around here, but we might have another drop, A, B, C. Either if it is running flat, then this stop loss will be fine. But if the market decides to do expanded flat, this stop loss becomes risky because it might take it before going up. So, but this is my main bias. This is the alternative. The safest way to place a stop loss is here. It depends on your account. I don't encourage people putting a far away stop loss. Reason: sometimes fundamental will overtake or override technical. I'm a technical trader, but a kind of news can come out and you see a flash, then it go up again. And if you have a small account and place a stop loss here, if such thing happens, you must lose all your money, or maybe 80% of your money. So the best thing to do, if your capital is small, you might not trade gold now because gold carries high volume, or maybe you wait for a proper break of this channel and trade. Then your stop loss will even be somewhere here. But it's a very good trade. Silver, see here is stop loss. Silver is going up. The much it will go, henceforth we might continue riding in this very channel. So we get another 3 waves pullback. One hour, I'm expecting 5 waves move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So target is above 28. Around 29 will be the target. New Zealand USD. We have completed the 1, 2, 3 A, B, C. A running flat, just a running flat. Then wave 5 is going up. So you can find your entry around here in 1 hour time frame and target 74, 74, 50, 75. Okay, you can see 1 hour. So if you are lucky enough, you might get a pullback and join the buyers. If you haven't entered, all my students entered here because I showed them the chart. I mean, anyway, I couldn't remember, but somebody contacted me and asked me a question. When this happened, I told him to buy above this place. Okay, so that's one of the benefits of being in my channel or learning under me. You always have you can message me anyhow and give me your chart. If I have time, I'll tell you what to do. Okay, but the buying is still open. The buying is still open. If you get a little pullback, you buy. You might get a move 3 waves. It may be deep or not, but the buying is still going up. Okay, that's for 1 hour. GBP chef. GBP. This is another good setup. In fact, there are so many good setups this week. So you will make a very good money this week. You make a very good money because this market is a sure. It will surely go. And after that, I expect a drop. But first of all, focus on this buying because it might be deep. Okay, it's another good buy. Okay, GBP card. GBP card. GBP card. We are looking for this and this. All right. Alternatively, this and this. Hope you get the message. We are looking for this and this. Alternatively, we are looking for this and this. Okay, whichever one. Trade this one first. Okay, pounds AUD. Pounds AUD. I am looking for this, and this. Alternatively, I am looking for a deep move. This can give us A, B, C, or maybe A, B, and C. In any case, my first bias is that we will have this. Then maybe from here, we get the drop we are looking for. So, wait for it. Okay. Which other pound space? I'm in pound space. Which other pound space I haven't got showing you? I've shown you many of it. It remains pound JPY, right? Pound JPY. Pound JPY. We are buying towards 156, 157. Okay, so whether we get a drop or not, we are buying pounds JPY. Okay, so if we are on long side of it, don't panic to sell. I think I have shown you pounds New Zealand, right? Yeah, pounds New Zealand is buying. So this move, let me go to 1 hour. So this 3 waves pullback is what we needed to see. So buying continues from here, then here is stop loss. Here is stop loss. It's a very good trade because the stop loss is very tight. So buy from here. Our last forecast says it will, but it goes higher than where we forecasted. It's good. It happened that way. So, and we also predicted this. So now all you need to do is to enter buy. Maybe buy stop somewhere here. The buy stop and target this place 199 or even 2.0. So it's another good trade. There are so many good trades this week. Then alternatively, we might have something like this. We might have something like this. Maybe a move like this. Move like this before the buying. This is second option anyway. The first is that we will have the buy will continue to buy. So a move like this will happen from here. That's my first bias. Okay. Which other pair do we have to check? Pounds are no need. Don't trade it for now. Pounds AUD. Pounds AUD is also a buying. Maybe it might do something like this. a kind of A, B, C. Oh, sorry, I've shown this before, so don't mind me. Okay, now let me go to yesterday I made some analysis on DSY USD and the some USD and some let me go to my Slack and show you. Okay, yesterday I updated USD pays and Euro pays on my Slack. So if you the Slack is only accessible to my students, not for everybody. So okay, let me just show you on Slack the page I analyzed yesterday. I analyzed Euro pays from DXY. DXY, this is what I expect on DXY. On DXY, I expect a further drop towards this area, that is towards 89 or thereabout, before we get up move. This is for just the 4 hours. The 1 hour, you can see we expect a little pullback, then the price will go down. That's for DXY. Okay, so expect a further move down on DXY to give us wave 5. If you watch all the videos, you will see the complete labeling of the DXY. So I don't think the daily is here. Okay, of course this is old chart, is still valid. We're expecting the price to come down between 89 and 88. So, and it's coming down as we forecasted. Okay, let's go to we touched all the Euro pairs. Let's check them out. Euro pairs, so what we are, this is Euro AUD. Our target is 1.58 or thereabout. Then our last forecast that the price will turn at the blue balls, and it just entered the blue balls and left immediately, and it's going up. Maybe we get an A, B, C. You know, we already have 3 waves pullback, but sometimes the market will do a multiple or double correction. In that case, we have another B and the C, then it's going up. So in any case, we are not selling. This is 1 hour. You can see in 1 hour already we have A, B, C. If the market decides to do a double correction, it will do another. It will go up here and do another A, B, C. But I don't see it happening. I can only see that the market will go up from here. Euro card. Euro card, this is daily chart. So we are almost in daily candle. We expected this to happen. Now will it come deeper before it go up or not? Let's check lower time frame. So you can see that we have two options here. One, this wave 5 is over. Two, we must still get a drop again. So my first bias is that once the price closes above this area, 1.4669 or 1.47 area, then we buy towards this place. Then if we get another drop, better for us, because it will give us a chance to make a more profit. Because if it drops again, we will now buy around this area instead of buying from this area, and the price is bound to go up to this place. Euro chef. In Euro chef, you can see that already we have gotten to the blue box. So I can only see, okay, let me go to 1 hour. You can see we have gotten to the blue box 2 times. Now this very candle shape, we call it in, I think is it inverted hammer or whatever. Is a bullish, is a trend change candle. So it's a sign of buy. As a matter of fact, above this place is buy. Stop loss will be here. Then the move is a very nice trade, because here is not our target, because this time it will break this place and come up here. So we have a lot of trades this week. Euro GBP. So 2 things we have. This is all we need. The 3 waves pullbacks. This is even the bigger one, A, B, C. So the only thing is that we're looking for buy. We might have another drop, but it's likely not. It will likely not happen. So if we get a little pullback, then we buy from here. The target will be above this very upper channel. Will be our target. So we are looking for buy on Euro GBP. So let me check 1 hour. So 1 hour, it still remains the same thing. We might get a pullback, but not this deep. This deep is the third option. First option, we just enter here and move up. Secondly, we enter here and come maybe around this area. Then thirdly, it will go deep. Such things happens all the time. That's why we give you all these options, so that whenever each one happens, you would be surprised that it is happening. Euro JPY. All these charts can be downloaded, but it's only for the students. You can just visit it and save the chart for yourself to access it when you want. Euro JPY, we are getting to our destination. So we watch for whether we have an A, B, C to buy or not. So buying from here doesn't make sense. Let me check 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour somebody can buy, but stop loss will be here, so that if the market moves against you, you lose a tiny amount. So, but we already know that the pay is going up, because this is A, B, C, wave 4, and wave 5 is started, and this is 1. This is A, B, C. This is 2. Then 3 is going up. So I expect this market to pierce this very upper channel and continue going up. So, but an ideal stop loss is here or even here. So it depends on your capital. You risk and set a trade according to the amount of money you have. You don't trade the plays that are too risky. Whenever stop loss is far and the money is not much, you leave it and look for another one. Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. It's going to our blue box and come back. Now we are looking for buy. Our target remains 1.72, 725, 727 and so on. But where do we enter? Let me check for 1 hour candle chart. So now we have options. The market is still coming down. We might get this and get this, or we might not get this. Now let me give you one lesson. If you see the price going up with a sharp candle move, then forget about this. But if you see the price moving with short candles like this, expect this to happen. This is a training that is meant for the student, but take it for free, right? So if you see a sharp candle moving very fast, forget this. But if you see short candles like this, then expect this to happen. So prepare for the buy. Okay. If you have a lot of money, you can just buy. Stop loss will be fine, because even if it drop, it won't come to this area, which is our stop, depending on the amount you have in your account. I don't like my trader, my those who watch me lose trade. That's why I tell you all the options you will see in the market. Okay, Euro USD. So this is what we are looking for. Yeah, a move up before we go down. I'm looking for a big drop, but where will it start? I don't know yet, but right now we're looking for move up. Let's go to 1 hour. So 1 hour, you can see this is wave 1, 2, wave 3 is ongoing. If you give us a chance, if you haven't entered, you enter. If you get maybe a drop again, you enter from there. Okay, I think the chart we have has finished. The one I made before I go to sleep, you can see the day. You see today. So I did it very late before I go to sleep. Did I do USD stuffs? Ninth of May. These are old charts, so I don't have to show you this. Anyway, I have shown you those ones on before I came to the Slack. Okay, hello. So now I have to cut I have to stop the video so that I will record for the cryptos. There are those who only interested in trading cryptos, and if I don't do their analysis, I won't sleep today. They'll just kill me. So, but I don't have time much. But at least I will give the 30 minutes to record the cryptos. Because I have promised them that I will always do their videos, and those that are only interested in cryptos, watching all these videos, they get them boring. So I decided to be sharing it, other crypto and others. So if you want to cryptos, then watch the next video. So we have a group where we teach those who want to learn. Join our Telegram channel for free. If you are in my Telegram channel, whenever you ask me a question, if you have time, I'll answer you. Then if you are my student, whatever you want to know, I will make time and teach you. I charge you little money. Like this week, if you the trade we have this week can give you 25 to 40% of your capital. Just the fact. We have a lot of good trades this week. Why not spend little money and learn? Okay, all you need is in the description of this video. You see my my phone number, my Telegram channel, and whatever you want to know, you see it there. So this phone number, this number is my personal number. You can contact me with this number, whether it's Telegram, WhatsApp, SMS, and call anytime. If you're going to join my class, just call this number. I'll go to WhatsApp, you see it. My name is Samuel Okoye-Ocha. In Telegram, you see it. In Telegram, the name you will see there is in Telegram, the name you see there is this is my Telegram name, Samuel Ken. Twitter, Samuel Ken. So with these two, you can get me anytime you want. Okay, I'm ending this video now. See you. Trade with care.